Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy M53 and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device, so basically how to manage it. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to find the accounts and backup. As you can see, under it we've got whole Google section, and of course you can manage a Google account using it, but I personally prefer to do it using accounts and backup. So let me tap on it, and here we have to tap on manage accounts at the very top of this list. Now let's simply tap on add account and choose Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation, so we can use the Wi-Fi or the mobile data, of course, also. So from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. What's more, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the add symbol, and your device will autofill it after tapping on next. So here I have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we have to decide who will be using this device, so I will stick with this first option. And here we've got some Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so you can read them, of course, just tap on it, and here you've got all the info you need. So let's tap on I agree after reading. And here we've got some shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. And of course you can remove it whenever you want to. Just tap on it, and here tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again, and as you can see, it will actually immediately disappear from this list, but be aware that if you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, so for example the pattern PIN or password, then your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. So actually this is it. This is how to manage Google account in your Samsung Galaxy M53. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.